In an ancient city, there lived two merchants. One was greedy and cunning, while the other was deeply honest. In the same city lived an old grandmother and her young granddaughter. They were once wealthy, but now they were so poor they had nothing to eat. Among their old broken belongings lay a black, dirty plate. They had no idea that it was actually made of pure gold. It was just covered in a thick layer of grime. One day, driven by unbearable hunger, the grandmother said to the girl, "Take this old plate and see if anyone will give you just a little grain in exchange for it." The greedy merchant was the first to arrive. The girl showed him the plate. The merchant took one look and immediately recognized it was gold. He thought, "I will trick them." He scoffed loudly. "This is just a useless lump of clay. It has absolutely no value." To prove it was worthless, he deliberately threw the plate onto the ground and walked away. His plan was to return later and take it for free. A short while later, the honest merchant passed by. The girl timidly showed the plate to him as well. The merchant took it in his hands. His eyes went wide in disbelief. He called out to the grandmother, "Mother, are you playing a joke on me? I do not have enough wealth to buy this plate. This is pure gold, and it is worth as much as this entire city." The grandmother and girl stood frozen in shock. The merchant gave them all his money and all his goods. He said, "Please keep this for now. I will return tomorrow to pay the rest." And he happily took the plate and left. A short while later, the greedy merchant returned. He looked smug. He said, "Come on, bring out that useless plate. I'll give you a few coins for it, out of pity." The grandmother looked at him and shouted, "You are a liar! An honest merchant was just here. He told us the truth, that it was gold. We have already sold it to him." The greedy merchant screamed in agony. He beat his own head in despair. His greed had completely ruined him, while honesty had forever changed the destiny of the poor family.